Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Yeezy foam runners that I finally picked up. I've been eyeing these for a couple months now, and I kept saying, like, are they ugly? Are they cute? They're like ugly cute. Like, something about them is so cute, and I keep seeing people wearing them and I'm just like, I need those. I feel like the prices have been up and down on the resale market for these shoes, and I'm not trying to pay no crazy amount for just some little slides, okay? So I noticed that the price dropped a tan bit, so I was like, let me see if I could pick these up, and I did. So yeah, I got these from StockX, so let's just go ahead and unbox them so you guys can see. It just says foam, and then this is what they look like. I got them in like the nude color, not the cream, but like the actual nude color. My lighting is kind of washing it out, but like compared to my bedding, you guys can see it's a little bit darker, and compared to my top, honestly, you can see it's a little bit darker. And I love this color. I feel like this color is my aesthetic. Like literally most of my closet are whites, creams, nudes, like these type of colors. So I'm gonna have so many outfits I can wear these with, and it just has the little StockX tag on it because, you know, they verify it authentic or whatever the case. I'm gonna cut this off. I don't know why people leave this green tag on their shoes. Like, okay, we get it. Like, we get it. Take it off. This is what they look like together. So the biggest thing with these, like while I was looking to buy them, was the sizing, because if I'm gonna buy them resale, the return process is not gonna be easy and all that stuff. Like, I'm gonna have to resell them myself if they don't fit. So I got these in a size 9. I had spoke with my brother about this at DJ Kim1 on Instagram. I had asked him about the sizing for these, and he had told me that his girlfriend bought them and she said to size up, like a full size, because they run small. And I do have wide feet, so anytime somebody tells me that something runs small, I err on the side of going a size up. These, however, do not come in half sizes. So let's just say my size in men's is a 7.5. My brother told me to size up. Technically, if I was to size up, I would need an 8.5. So that's why I got the 9 in these, because I was just like, you know what? I'd rather size up a half size than size down a half size and then it be too small, because I feel like this is the type of shoe that you can get away with like putting a thick sock in and you'll be okay. But if you're gonna wear these and they be too tight, you're gonna be miserable. So yeah, the 9 in men's for these ended up working for me. And I ended up paying, so I told you guys that the price dropped on these a little bit. So I paid $185 for these, and then with taxes and the shipping fee and the processing and all of that stuff, it ended up being $226.23, which is still kind of OD, like just for some slides. But I really wanted these, and I was just like, you know what, YOLO, I'm gonna use my credit card, I'm gonna use the points to buy them, so technically they're free, you know? I kind of want to show you what they look like on my feet, but I have the camera set up to where you guys can't see, like you only can see my upper body. So I'm just gonna put these on and try to like show you guys what they look like. Let me just stand up. They are really comfortable. I do have a little bit of room. Honestly, I wish it did come in a half size, because if it did, they would fit perfect. But I do like that I have some space, because then I could wear a sock with them. But yeah, they're just like a tiny bit loose, and you guys will see that in the clip. But for me, these are fine. I'd rather have more space than less space, and I feel like if I got the full size down, they would have been way too small. If you can get into a store that sells these, try them on and then get them online, definitely do that. But I'm lazy and I don't got time for that. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna compare them to 2 different types of shoes. So the first are my Nike Low Dunks. I got these in a men's 7. And I'm just gonna show y'all. So this is what it looks like. So I got the Yeezys in a size 9, and these are my Dunks in a size 7. You can see we got a little space at the front, but these definitely fit me a little bit snug. And the other shoe that I can compare them to that is kind of similar to these are my Crocs. These Crocs are a women's 9, and if you see, The Yeezys are just a little bit bigger. I almost didn't buy these shoes because I felt like a size 9 was way too big. Like in my head, that sounds huge, and I didn't want them to look like clown slippers on my feet. I know that these shoes are not going to be everybody's cup of tea by no means, but let me know if you guys like them in the comments down below because I am really enjoying them. I can't wait to wear them. I haven't worn them yet. I need to cut the tags off and everything, but I was waiting to do this video for you guys. So yeah, you guys will definitely be seeing me wearing these on Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me at _EricaAndrea so you guys can see those. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys would buy these, if you guys would wear them. Would you only pay retail for them, or would you pay the outrageous price that I paid for them? Let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's not too long. I just wanted to come and quickly show you guys my new shoes. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and turn those post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.